Hi, welcome to the weekly Dubai News Digest from CoLife. I'm Irene, and here is everything you need to know. The weather forecast, key events, places to go, and most importantly, the best apartment deals of the week. Let's go! Daytime temperatures are expected to reach as high as 39 degrees Celsius. Nighttime will be around 27 degrees Celsius. Emirates plans to hire 1,500 new pilots over the next 2 years. It is connected to route expansion plans. The blue line of the Dubai Metro will open on September 9, 2029. Spanning 30 kilometers, it will serve 39,000 passengers per day and consist of 48 trains. What's happening in Dubai this week? The Greatest Showman at the Junction, June 20th to June 22nd. International Conference on Agricultural Sciences and Economics on June 16th. International Conference on Interdisciplinary Humanities and Communication Studies on June 17th. International Conference on Fashion, Entrepreneurship and Cultural Integration and Harmony on June 19th. Here are the best apartment deals of the week. All apartments are fully furnished and ready to move in. Contact us for booking or more info. Link in the description. Co-workings recommended this week. Nest, located at Barsha Heights. Jetty Lounge, located in Dubai Marina, a great place for a romantic date. Nusret, located in the Four Seasons Hotel, Turkish cuisine. That was your Dubai News Digest. Subscribe so you don't miss out on what's important. See you next time!